The AI drowning detection system is developed by the Sports AI Laboratory of the University of Hong Kong. It uses advanced AI technology to analyze the CCTV video images installed in the swimming pool area. It can outline the human skeleton and analyze the swimmer's movements. The system will calculate the probability of the swimmer drowning. When the probability is higher than the threshold, the alarm system will first issue a yellow alarm, but if the drowning situation persists, it will be upgraded to a red alarm, and an alarm will be issued on the mobile device of the lifeguard station to display the location of the drowning person so that lifeguards can rescue the drowning person as soon as possible. This system can detect the position and posture of multiple swimmers at the same time, and can also cooperate with the camera installed on the ceiling to monitor the water surface from an aerial view to detect drowning situations, which helps reduce the workload and pressure of lifeguards and enhance the safety of swimming pools. This system can process the original image and only use the skeleton data for analysis, which can avoid recording the raw video of the swimmers to protect their privacy. The AI drowning detection system can save lives and make swimming safer.